Hey, this is Dr. Jay Taylor. Just wanted to give you a quick tour, or virtual tour I should say, of the upcoming Outer Banks Veterinary Hospital. It's going to be located here at milepost 4.5. You can see in the window, it's the south end of the Ocean Plaza shopping center. You can see the two paw prints and our website, which you can follow more, outerbanksvet.com. Now if you look straight across the street here, this is a common local hangout called Barefoot Bernie, so we're straight across the street from them. So we're going to start the tour now. I'm just going to take you right into the front here. You can see the sign up front and our phone number, 252-715-1407. Again, Unit I at the south end. So you walk in, and as you can see, everything's still being constructed. Right now, the drywall's probably about halfway done. It's hung. It looks like things are taped and mudded. So hopefully at the end of the week, this is July 2nd, end of the week, everything should be squared away towards the drywall. And as you can see right ahead is our reception counter. And in the future, when everything's squared away and we're in the office, you'll be greeted by our friendly receptionist there in the counter. And so once you've filled out all your forms and your puppy or kitty is ready to go, we're going to go right here into the hallway. Again, if you look towards the right, so I'm going to pan over, you can see yet another reception window, and that's where you might check out. So over here to our left is the first exam room, and I've got a little light in there so you can kind of see what the walls look like. Again, not a whole lot else is going on in here, but this is going to be our first exam room. Now this is the Outer Banks. We've got a lot of water, and this area is well known for its water sports. So exam room 1 is not going to be called exam room 1. It's going to be called the sail room. So the cool thing about the sail room is we're going to have, this is going to be a room that we see mostly, so if you've got a lab or a larger dog, you'll come into here most of the time, because we're going to have a folding exam table. And what that does is it hangs up on the wall over here, and then when we need to get it out of the way, we can just fold it up and give us a little bit more space. Now our second exam room is going to be more of your traditional veterinary exam room, and it's going to be called, again going with the Outer Banks theme, the surf room. So let's continue with the tour here. I'm going to shoot you right through. This is the receptionist desk in the office, you can see. We're going to go right into my office, the doctor's office, and not much exciting here, but the one thing I did want to show you is that we had these two windows put in. They're about 5 feet tall and about 2 feet wide, so that our veterinarian can look right through. This is a view from the first window all the way into the back, and you can see the back door there. This is where the kitty and puppy condos are going to go. So if your pet has to stay here for surgery or some sort of treatment for a disease, we can keep an eye on them, and one of our doctors will be able to keep an eye on them at all times, even if they're in the office. And you can see, again, through surgery, we've got this window here. The door will have a window, it would be about half of a window itself. And then this is a view from the second window through the doctor's office. And this is going into our treatment area. So we're just, since we can do it now, we're going to walk through walls here, go right into the surgery room. Now this is our surgery room again, and you can see straight ahead all those pipes coming out of the wall. And that's going to be where our treatment table and a surgery prep sink are going to go. The treatment table is actually going to head out that way. The surgery prep sink is going to be right here, and that's where the surgeon, when he's getting ready for surgery, will scrub his hands and make sure that he's as sterile as possible. Now this is actually where you would be if you were a pet here doing surgery, about at this level, so you can see it has a very nice view, so the veterinarian can keep an eye on his patient even as he's getting ready for surgery. We're going to go right into here through the door, and as you can see, a few more pipes coming out where there's going to be sinks for the laboratory area. Going to swing you just a quick pan around, and you can see this room over to our left is the x-ray room, and we'll have the ability to do x-rays and barium series and that type of thing. So that's our quick tour. We're going to head out the door, but again, Thanks for taking our tour. One last view, and if you want to keep in touch, keep on at outerbanksvet.com. Thanks a lot.